From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that fail to get you out of bed on time? Look no further than the Dekala ClearTime 10.1-inch large display digital alarm clock, a game changer for anyone who struggles with waking up in the morning. This sleek device is not just an alarm clock, but a smart companion that makes your life easier. With its 10.1-inch HD IPS touchscreen, you get an ultra-clear display with a 178-degree wide viewing angle, perfect for seniors, visually impaired users, and dementia care settings. The bold day, date, and time layout ensures instant readability from any corner of the room, and the touchscreen interface is so intuitive, you can simplify settings with just a tap. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The Dekala ClearTime is packed with features that make it a standout in its category. For instance, the Wi-Fi enabled real-time weather station auto-syncs time, supporting daylight savings time, and displays temperature, humidity, and forecasts, giving you a sense of what's happening outside. The smart light sensor adjusts brightness from a gentle 10% at night to a full 100% during the day, so you're never straining your eyes. And with its vibrating and 110 decibel loud alarm, you'll never oversleep again, making it perfect for deep sleepers, the deaf, and the elderly. In real-life use, this alarm clock has been a lifesaver for caregivers, who can pre-program pill schedules and doctor appointment reminders, reducing their workload and supporting multi-languages. The Dekala ClearTime is also crafted from durable materials, and comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Whether you're using it at home or in an elderly care setting, this alarm clock is dependable and easy to use. So why settle for a boring, basic alarm clock when you can have a smart, feature-rich as always? Links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.